I just want you to look at this picture. Yeah? इसको क्या है, मैंने ugliness और beauty लिया है because this is a simple example. ये चाह रही है कि there should be no blemish on my face. हाँ, सुंदर होना चाहिए, एक पिंपल नहीं होना चाहिए मेरे फेस पे, सब मुझे देखे. I have to look like Kareena Kapoor, right? I have to look the best. इसलिए she sees in the mirror 100 times a day. या स्पा जाती है, ठीक है, ब्यूटी पार्लर, what is all this, hair transplants, this implant, that implant, VLCC, हाँ, getting thin, all this kind of things. But what is the fear within? मिरर में वो continuously क्या देख रही है? कुछ है तो नहीं, मैं अगली तो नहीं दिख रही हूँ, कोई बाल तो नहीं सफेद हो रहा. What are you constantly worried about? अब क्या होगा? If you worry so much, tell me, I'll tell you. Hormones imbalance हो जाएंगे. Hormones imbalance होगा तो क्या होगा? Estrogen, progesterone में गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. गड़बड़ हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा? जरूर नेक्स्ट डे पार्टी जाने के 2 घंटे पहले एक पिंपल आएगा फेस पे. It has to come. And who brought that pimple? Yourself. She herself. You bring the pimple because you created the imbalance in your estrogen progesterone. And why you created the imbalance? Because you were so worried about your negative pole that in running towards the positive, you were not negative. You were running towards the positive. But जब तुम कुछ चीज से भाग रहे हो तो तुम उस चीज पर तुम्हारा ध्यान है, मैं उससे कितनी दूर भाग रही हूँ, मैं उससे कितनी तेज भाग रही हूँ. हाँ, तो भाग रहे हो आगे पर ध्यान है पीछे, तो फिर उसको बाहर आना ही है. And this is what happens to all of us, is that we are running. And actually we bring that situation, we precipitate that situation into our reality. जिससे भाग रहे हैं वही चीज हो जाती है. या sometimes you achieve targets. We all achieve targets, huh? It's not that we don't. It's not that you always will get the pimple. Sometimes you achieve the target, लेकिन in achieving that target you have spent so much of your energy that not on that day but after 10 days you will still fall sick because your body has put up tremendous effort in going to one pole. तो या तो आप पहले बीमार पड़ते हो या तो आप बाद में. I often see when patients come to us, they say the last few months have been stressful, हमको अब भी recent stress है जिसकी वजह से हम बीमार पड़े हैं, और they come and tell us 2 years ago I had a terrible situation and I struggled through it and everything was fine, तभी कुछ नहीं हुआ, अब 1 साल बाद ये क्यों हो रहा है, अभी तो सब ठीक है. So when the situation goes, you achieved it with the rush of your hormones, but you will pay for it a year later. We all, yeah, not just you, when I say each one of us, और ये हम सब में होता है. Now, can we go a few slides? We don't need to go through all of them. What is happening to us is that when we work even towards the positive side, we are actually working under fear. We are working under compulsion. It's a compulsion in us to be accepted. It's a compulsion in us to be appreciated. It's a compulsion in us to become successful, to become beautiful. We are not working in freedom. We are working as a slave of our fear. हमारे ही fear के हम गुलाम हैं. Result, we fall sick. Result is actually sometimes we end up achieving less. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है ना, you feel I could have done much better, या ये एग्जाम में मेरा बच्चा बहुत अच्छा करता था लेकिन एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले बीमार पड़ गया. हाँ, आई हैव दिस प्रेजेंटेशन टुमारो, मुझे ये खत्म करना है लेकिन उसके 2 घंटे पहले ही मुझे चेस्ट में अनईजीनेस आ जाती है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज योर हॉर्मोन्स इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग यू टुवर्ड्स द पॉजिटिव स्टार्ट टेकिंग यू टुवर्ड्स द नेगेटिव. Go next. And this is what is happening. You are constantly moving between positive and negative without knowing about it. You don't know about this, but it's happening in each one of us, which is why we called this an awareness event. To become aware कि positive हम सब में है, लेकिन negative भी है, और उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. But if you accept it, we can remedy it. The first step to remedying something is the acceptance that it is there within us. Yeah? Now, is there something? Yeah, can you go next? कुछ ऐसा है which reduces this pendulum effect. ये जो इतना pendulum जा रहा है, आपको समझ रहा है, जब ये इतना तेज चलेगा तो कितना एनर्जी वेस्ट होगी? बहुत एनर्जी वेस्ट होगी. एंड इफ दैट मच एनर्जी इज वेस्टेड, यू आर नेचुरली गोइंग टू फॉल सिक. व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज रिड्यूस दिस पेंडुलम इफेक्ट एंड ब्रिंग इट somewhere close to balance. Yeah? Can you go next? Naturally, you can, and you can do it with homeopathy. What we do, the way our medicine is different than conventional medicine, than Ayurveda, than everything else, is that we work on the mind. We work on trying to bring a balance in the mind so that that whole pendulum effect and the energy that goes in that effect is reduced, and naturally you become healthy. मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल्स दूंगी, कुछ पेशेंट्स दिखाएंगे जहां पर आपको ये पूरा पेंडुलम इफेक्ट का असर दिखेगा. जस्ट गो नेक्स्ट. व्हाट वी एम टू डू विथ होम्योपैथी इज दैट वी रिड्यूस योर कंपल्शन. ये जो कंपल्शन है हम सब में, फ्रीडम का, इंडिपेंडेंस का, एक्सेप्टेंस का, अप्रिसिएशन, सक्सेस, अचीवमेंट, लेकिन we are working with compulsion. What we do with homeopathy is we reduce this compulsion so that you work out of choice. You know our logo that we have made, Sachindra and I, हमने बहुत सोच समझ के ये लोगो बनाया है. Health, happiness, freedom. ये फ्रीडम मुझे पेशेंट्स हमेशा पूछते हैं, डॉक्टर व्हाट हैज फ्रीडम गॉट टू डू विथ होम्योपैथी?
फ्री समझ में आता है, फ्रीडम नहीं समझ में आता.
आपको समझ गया? हाँ, फ्रीडम ऑफ चॉइस. यू वर्क नॉट आउट ऑफ कंपल्शन बट यू विल वर्क आउट ऑफ चॉइस, आउट ऑफ फ्रीडम, एंड देयरफॉर can we go back to the old slide? You will actually end up achieving much more. कोई पेशेंट्स हमको आके ये भी बोलते हैं, डॉक्टर आप इतने सवाल पूछते हो, हाँ, यू आस्क मी आर यू अग्रेसिव एट वर्क, हाँ, देन दे टेल मी अरे ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव टू बी अग्रेसिव एट वर्क, और आप ऐसा कुछ मत कर देना कि मेरा अग्रेशन बंद कर दो, नहीं तो कल उठ के मेरी नौकरी चली जाएगी. या माई अग्रेशन इज नीडेड फॉर माई वर्क, एंड वी टेल द पेशेंट नो, we will reduce your aggression but your efficacy in work will improve, you will end up with a promotion. The moment you say I need my aggression, you are a slave of that. हाँ, आप गुलाम हो गए उसके. हम आपकी गुलामी से आपको आजाद करेंगे. You will work with freedom, you will definitely achieve better than what you were achieving before. Yeah. Now, and so what happens is this whole stress layer goes away. And what emerges is the real you. The you who wanted to work, who wanted to be happy. Therefore, you become healthy. So you get healthy, you get happy, and you get free. And this is possible. I am going to show you. ये तो theory है. हम आपको बहुत सारे examples दिखाएंगे, real life examples where this is possible. Now, just before I go to the video, एक छोटी सी बात. We often talk about stress, huh? Everybody, and doctors also. You have this problem because you are stressed, right? We also talk, मुझे तो आज बहुत stress है. It's a word which sometimes even my child tells me, Mama, it's so stressful, because he's heard it so much, huh? This word. What is stress? The way we look at it in homeopathy is that stress is almost like a car without any fuel. Stress is nothing, it's a zero thing. It's a car, जो कार में फ्यूल ही नहीं है, वो कार क्या भागेगी, हाँ? वो तो शोरूम में पड़ी रहेगी. That is what stress is. It's a car without any life. The fuel for this car is your personality. Your personality gives the petrol or diesel for that car to move. So give less diesel and less petrol. ना वैसे भी पेट्रोल के भाव बढ़ रहे हैं, हाँ? Why do we want to spend money on that petrol than giving money to the doctor? So where do we need to make the change? In our personality. I'll tell you why stress is only the car and personality is the fuel. We just take a simple example of traffic jam.